In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a router in Make, split paths. If you're building automations in Make and want one part of your workflow to branch into different paths, a router is exactly what you need. It lets a single flow split so you can handle different outcomes separately, which is great for organizing logic and keeping your scenarios clean and scalable. First, sign into your Make account in your browser. Make sure you're working in the account and team where your scenario lives. Once you're in, open the scenario you want to edit. A scenario is the canvas where your modules connect to form a workflow. You'll need at least two modules already connected by a line, because a router is added directly onto that connection. With your scenario open, find the connection line running between the two modules where you want the split to occur. This is the thin line that shows the flow from one module's output into the next module's input. If your canvas is crowded, zoom in so you can clearly see and select that line. A quick tip, if you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click registers as a right click, and on some systems, a control click works as well. Now right-click directly on the connection line itself, not on either of the modules. You should see a context menu appear. From that menu, choose Add Router. The moment you select it, Make will insert a router on that line, breaking it into branching outputs. Visually, you'll notice the single connection turn into a small router node with multiple paths ready to be extended. That's all there is to placing the router. A couple of helpful notes as you work. If you don't see the Add Router option, double-check that you clicked precisely on the line between two existing modules. The menu is context sensitive and only appears when you right-click the connection itself. If your scenario is complex, use the canvas zoom controls or hold the spacebar to pan and position the view so the line is easy to target. And if you accidentally add the router in the wrong spot, you can undo the action with your keyboard shortcut to quickly return to your previous layout. After adding the router, you'll see clearly defined branches that you can use to separate paths in your scenario. This is useful when you plan to handle different conditions or outcomes down the line, keeping each route organized and easier to maintain. That's it. Log in, open your scenario, right-click the connection line, and select Add Router. You've just created a clean split point for your automation.